Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because...
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to your favorite jet ski YouTube channel. It is obiskitv. I am out on my solo adventure today, where first we're going to kick it off with the ride from here at the Fort DeSoto boat ramp all the way down to Jewfish Key. It is a spot down by Bradenton Beach where, you know, it's a sandbar. It's a beautiful area. I am super excited because I get to bring you guys more of the places that we love down here in Florida. Let's talk, let's go. But before we do that, you always know, the one ask that I have is if you please smash that like button. If you really like the content, if you've seen a lot of the videos, but you haven't gotten to hit that like button, really appreciate that. And of course, goes without saying, please subscribe to the channel. The more subscribers we get, the more videos we get to bring. So let's go. Time for the adventure. Let's ride, baby. Let's go. Off to Jewfish Key. Peace.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, hold tight.
We have now reached Anna Maria Island, and this is beyond words. This is Bean Point. It is the northernmost point of Anna Maria Island, and I don't know, I guess rather than me say it, what do you guys think? Is this place absolutely beautiful, or is it absolutely beautiful? Check it out. Let's continue the ride down to Jewfish Key, but I had to bring you Anna Maria. Look at this. Guys, we are here. We made it to Jewfish Key. Well, not yet. I'm still in the Gulf, but I'm about to cross in. As you can see, Jewfish Key is right past that bridge. So let's go, man. Stop number one, Jewfish Key. I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. Let's go.
Make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move.
Welcome to Jewfish Key, and let me tell you, this place is absolutely gorgeous. You know, this is my first time stopping here. I've been here in the area. I've ridden in the Bradenton Beach area before, but never stopped here and chilled at Jewfish Key. I just want to bring you guys up to what I'm about to do. I pulled in a little bit deeper. I was actually close to that pontoon boat right there, and I was hanging out, having a good time, just enjoying myself here in Jewfish. But the issue I ran into is my drone. I'm not sure why the Skydio was having trouble finding the ability to see. I looked up and the troubleshooting says sometimes the body of water can give it a little bit of an issue. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move over to the inlet part. There's like a little beach area there. I'm gonna pull in so that way I can actually get on land and hopefully get the drone up so you guys can see this beautiful, amazing area, because that seems to be some sort of a private island, and that is Jewfish Key. There's homes there. I don't want to impede. I don't really know the area like that, and I'd rather be safe than sorry. I am now technically on a Longboat Key. I pulled the ski up right there. Let's throw up the drone here from Longboat Key so you guys can check out just this whole area. Longboat Key, Jewfish Key, this whole area of Bradenton Beach. It is absolutely stunning, to say the least. So let's go, people. Let's throw her up in the sky.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
All right, guys, that was Jewfish Island. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you loved it. Trust me when I say it really is that pretty in person. I would advise any of you to come down here, hang out for the day with friends and family. I promise you it's worth it. Again, if you loved it, please smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. I really do appreciate all of you. Met a couple people right here in Jewfish that love the channel, that are subscribers, so can't thank you guys enough, man. Do not forget, part 2, Egmont Key, coming up. Let's go.